Hi, I'm Christy with Happily Hooked Magazine. In this video, I will be teaching you how to crochet the double treble crochet. To begin, you're going to yarn over 3 times. Use your finger to hold the yarn. Insert your hook into the loop, into the stitch, yarn over and pull back through. You will have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 loops on your hook. From here, you will repeat the same process. Yarn over, pull through 2. Again, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. And that is a double treble crochet. I'll show you again. Yarn over 3 times. Insert your hook into the stitch, yarn over, pull back through. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. And that's how you complete this stitch. Join me back here for more tutorials with Happily Hooked Magazine.